Emuva konyaka obunzima, lo mfundo oneminyaka engamashumi 20 uchaze ngezingqinamba abhekene nazo esikoleni nyakenye. Uthi waphoqeleka ukuthi ame iminyaka emibili esikoleni ngenxa yengcindezi yengqondo.
For me, I would say it was school itself other than my other problems. So I was like, the pressure is too much because now my parents everyone is looking at me since I'm now in grade 12.
Abanye abafundi bathi abasalali nasebusuku ngenxa yokulinda imiphumela isikhathi eside.
I'm very stressed about my results. Also, after we finished writing our exams, I started having nightmares about me failing my exams.
It is very stressful waiting for the results, and I think it's quite difficult.
Ongoti banxusa abafundi abalindele imiphumela ukuthi bangasifakeli ingcindezi.
Should it happen that you don't make it, you don't pass your matric, have hope. This is not the end of it. Remember that you are not your grades. As much as they are important, they are not as important as you are. Also remember that you are more valuable than passing a matric.
Abazali nabo banxusa babaseka abafundi kulesikhathi. Ungqongqoshe wemfundo esisekelo uEnjimutsheha kulindele uthamemezela imiphumela mhla ziyishumi neshagalolunye kwephezulu.